Hi, my name's Arun. I'm here with the Palm Springs Public Library, and today we'll be making tie-dye coasters for our summer reading program, Reading Colors Your World. If you're enrolled in the program, make sure you listen to the secret word, which I'll be giving out later in the video, for a chance to win a grand prize entry ticket and some virtual badges and bean snack. Let's begin. So on your craft for the tie-dye coaster, you'll get the tile. You'll get a cork backing that you apply once your tile dries to protect your table. We have 3 alcohol ink sets that will be included, and a droplet. Additionally, what's not included in your kit but we'll be using is rubbing alcohol and a plastic straw. So the first thing we're going to do is get the ink, and then you just try to make a pattern any way you feel by just putting some droplets throughout. And if you use the straw like so, you can see how it helps to blend the colors in. Now we're going to be using rubbing alcohol to help it spread the ink. Of course, this is optional. So once you get to a place where you're happy with your design, I think I'm happy with this, we're going to have to let it dry for at least 24 hours before we're going to put on a glaze on it to protect the ink. So once your tie-dye coaster is dry, you can either leave it as is if you plan to use it as an art project, but if you want to use it as a coaster, we recommend that you get a product called Krylon's Crystal Clear spray, which will create a nice shiny finish and won't bleed the tie-dye when it's used as a coaster. That's all.